Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video, we are gonna talk about what is the meaning of Tajweed. If you wanna know, let's start. Linguistically, Tajweed means proficiency or doing something well. When we apply Tajweed with Quran, it means I'll give each letter its rights and characteristics when recitation. For example, when I want to recite this verse, I can't recite it like that. Allahu la ilaha illa huwa al-hayyul qayyum. No, this recitation without Tajweed. Okay, how can I pronounce it with Tajweed? I'll say الله لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم. This is Tajweed to doing our recitation perfect. Alhamdulillah, in this video we have covered what is the meaning of Tajweed. I think that's all, and I can see you inshallah in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salam.